try reverse. Reverse cam works. Okay, so put it in park. Music works. 313 BMW 328i, we're going to replace the monitor from small 5 inches to 20 inches. This thing is one of the biggest one I ever seen. The first thing we're going to do is to remove that center dashboard. Simply comes out, disconnect the plugs. Next step we're going to do is remove screws under the display here. We're going to remove these two here on the top. Remove this bottom cover. So there are 2 screws under the radio cluster. 2 there, 2 on the top. Those are Torx number 20 on those. Have them out, you can access the back part of it. Disconnect the plug. Now we're going to remove 2 more screws on the radio chassis. Remove the radio. So we're going to take this. This already has an aftermarket CarPlay using factory monitor, so we're going to get rid of the aftermarket one first. So simply disconnect that plug. The display plug. Okay, provided key harness. Male plugs it in here, female plugs it into the factory harness. Shoot up the cable that goes to the monitor on the top. The microphone, the antenna, all the data cables come up to the front. This is Extron we are installing on BMW 328i 2012 or 2013. The first thing you're going to do is go to the menu. Exit. And you hit this little gearbox here. And you go car infotainment system. Go all the way down, about device. This little gearbox shows up. You hit that. Code is 8888. Hit OK. And on the can, it gives you all different vehicles. This came in with the wrong vehicle. We gotta get the right code. So to get to it, you hit all. Find the vehicle that you think is the correct one. We couldn't find it, but I'm just going to show you one of the setup that we did, which is, where is it? Say one of those, and you try that. So you hit this save. It's going to ask you to restart. The CarPlay Android Auto seems to be working fine. Reverse cam works. Before the reverse cam didn't work, audio didn't work, and after we fiddled with the settings, it did enable audio as well as the backup cam, but still not correct. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about once it's boot up. It's still booting. So it shows the hood is open, which is correct, and the Android Auto works. So we're going to put it in reverse. So reverse cam works, its trunk is open, so we know that works. And audio doesn't work. The audio does work, the volume was down, so that works. So it all seems to be working. The only thing we couldn't get back is the menu. You press and hold. It's supposed to give you car information. That does not work. The other setting we've gone through did show. So go here, exit here. It's supposed to be car information, I believe. Alright, let's go to the settings. It's good. Alright, let's go to the settings. Car infotainment system, all the way down. Hit the gearbox. A lot of times these cans are not set for the vehicle. You got to find out which one is working, because if you don't have a right can set up, your backup cam doesn't work, your audio doesn't work, the car information when you open the door, it shows that door is open. Reverse cam will be all scrambled. So each time you choose different options, you gotta save and restart.
176.
Music works, navigation works, menus work. Okay, reverse. That works. Everything works. Let me show you something. You hit these two fingers on the monitor.
Yeah.
Little menu pops up, little gear pops up on the corner. You gotta use the two fingers to get it.
Okay.
And it's asking for code. It's 4 zeros. Okay?
Okay.
And this will give you different options for different cams. You have an aftermarket cam, which happens to be CV, BS, NTSC.
Okay.
That's what it's got to be on. Before you had it on AHD, which is a factory setup.
Okay.
So we have to change that. So that works.